It's your boy Marketron 3000. The VOLT Festival is over. We have packed, well, I've packed up my tent. I think I'm going to get rid of this Lilo. I don't really need it. I don't really want to have to carry it around. Matt, because he's got so many bags, he's still packing his bags. Hasn't even got his tent down yet. Because he's got so much stuff to sort out. Because he doesn't know how to pack for a trip. So anyway, sorry guys, I didn't get to film much yesterday, Saturday of the festival, because I was quite ill. I had some stroke and food poisoning, so I came back to the tent and flaked out for a few hours. Had a shower, finally dragged myself back in the festival, saw a bit of Stella, walked around the festival for a bit, got some food, and then came back and crashed out about 12 o'clock PM. No, 12 o'clock AM. Matt stayed out and basically carried on raving all night long. He's had no sleep, he's been out all night. So he's made the most of it at least. He held up his... fucking I can't even talk properly. Oh God, I'm not well. Right, I'm gonna go down there and get some water. I do enjoy a good TV tower. I don't know if I'm gonna go up and see the TV tower that's just outside of Bratislava when I'm there. I might do. I'm definitely gonna go and check out the Žižkov television tower in Prague, the second ugliest building in the world. I need to see that. Well, this is it. Goodbye to VOLT Festival. It's been good. I think people have seen us as a bit of an oddity, wondering why these two British guys came here when it's all European acts playing and we don't understand what they're singing about, but we want to come and check it out. It's been alright, yeah. Just couldn't get into it yesterday because I wasn't very well. Too much sun, sunburn, sunstroke, my belly was going off. I fucking had about 8 shits. So apart from that, I was enjoying it, yeah. I didn't get to see as many bands as I wanted to, but never mind. We're leaving the festival. I've got no idea what that sign says. I'm going to ask one of my Hungarian speaking friends back in England what it means when I get back. That's it, they're packing up the festival now. And we're making our way out. And there's the spectacular TV tower on the hill. I love it, I love that TV tower. Bye bye VOLT Festival. It's been emotional. On the bus back from the festival, check out the nature. Made it back to Sopron station. I've got a nice chestnut roll. Looks like a sausage roll, but it's like chestnuts. So it tastes. Yeah, it's sweet. It's like a sweet pastry thing. Everything. Chestnut roll. Matt's wandered off again. Not sure where he is. I'm sure he'll turn up in a minute or so. Bring him.